Hey everyone, Danique here from Wildwood Lifestyle Center. Today we are doing a contrast bath for the face. This is supposed to help with nasal and sinus congestion. Just be aware not to do this treatment if you're prone to nosebleeds. All right, let's dive in. Here's what you need for this video. 2 dish pans, one with water as hot as you can handle, and another one with ice water. A towel to dry off your face, a timer, and lastly, a snorkel to breathe. And no, we're not kidding. You can go ahead and skip this one and just come up out of the water if you're more comfortable with that, but for some people, a snorkel is easier. Step 1. Put your face in a dish pan with hot water for 3 minutes, only coming out of the water to breathe, unless you're using a snorkel, of course. Step 2. Put your face in the dish pan with ice water for 30 seconds. Change from hot to cold 3 times in total, ending on cold. Step 3. Dry off your face. That's all. This treatment is so simple, anyone can do it right from their home. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button down below and hit that notification bell to get notified of new videos every Friday. Catch you guys in the next one.
Tapiwa here. Did you know that you can actually learn more in-depth stuff about hydrotherapy and even natural remedies simply by going on our website www.healthevangelism.com and going under courses and simply clicking online health evangelism? And also, if you wanted to actually come into Wildwood Lifestyle Center as a guest to receive some of the hydrotherapy treatments, please go to www.wildwoodhealth.com. And friends, we look forward to seeing you soon, or simply, again, as I said, sign up to the online school.